Call it. I don't know if y'all boys can see, but that I got it, bro. Y'all really, bro. What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young J, man. And you see we back with another video game, but today, bro, I ain't gonna lie, we did a major upgrade, bro, and we got so many more upgrades coming, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I told y'all boys we was about to go crazy 2025, bro, but this is only the beginning, bro. I'm telling you, look at this, bro. So for the first little I'm gonna say mod, whatever you want to call it, I don't know if y'all boys can see, but that I got a brand new radiator and condenser, but I didn't get the regular one, bro. So no, it's not the regular one. It's not the regular one. It's for the 6.4, bro. So this is the it's the 6.4 radiator and the condenser, bro. And that's just, I just did that because I know I'm about to upgrade everything else, bro. Like the bill about to go so crazy, bro. Like I ain't gonna lie, bro. Y'all really, bro. Like I ain't gonna lie. This is really gonna be one of the hardest Jeep builds ever, bro. Like the parts I just ordered, bro. So basically, let me just, man, bro. I'ma just give y'all an update on what I got planned first. I'ma give y'all like the not too major mods first, and then after I give y'all the not too major mods, then I'ma give y'all like the actual bigger crazy mods, bro. So first off, I ordered just minor for this engine. I just ordered the intake, bro, because I never did nothing to this motor. I can show y'all real quick. I actually show y'all. You already know what time it is. The blue vest. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like this, man, bro. Y'all boys just don't know, bro. I got so much. As y'all can see, bro, I don't have no intake. I don't have nothing, bro. It's just plain Jane, bro. You feel me? But we do got that new radiator and condenser. But I got the intake coming, bro. I'm gonna do an intake install video for y'all boys on the 3.6. But let me get on to the bigger major mods, you feel me? And starting off, I ordered the Trackhawk rear bumper, bro. So this right here is the SRT rear bumper, and it has one, like, it only can fit one exhaust tip on each side, but the Trackhawk rear bumper has the dual exhaust tips, bro. And not only did I order that, I ordered the OEM Trackhawk. Wait, why is my camera? Yeah. I ordered the OEM dual Trackhawk exhaust, bro. So that's coming in, bro. And when I tell y'all boys, the Trackhawk bumper and the exhaust, bro, is going to look so crazy, bro. I just have to get the rear bumper painted, but oh my gosh, bro, like, bro, y'all probably don't see the vision right now, bro, but I'm telling y'all, bro, with the dual tips on each side, I ain't even gonna show y'all the picture on screen, bro. I'ma just wait till I get it, bro. But brother, just listen. This Jeep is about to look so different, bro. Not only did I order that though, I ordered the carbon fiber trim pieces for the interior. I ordered that. I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's so many more. Lowering springs is on the way, brother. Listen. I got so many more mods. I'm about to do this thing, bro. Like, and best believe, bro, engine swap is just gonna be like the icing on the cake, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. For y'all boys, man, if y'all new, man, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, bro. Cause I'm telling you, bro, like this build, bro, is definitely top 5, bro. has to be top 5 G builds, bro, out of everybody. But y'all just make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Like, comment, subscribe if y'all boys haven't already, man, because I'm telling you, bro, not only am I'm getting the rear end put on, bro, I ordered for the front so y'all boys could get it off my head, man. For this little missing cap piece, I ordered the little, it's like a little sensor. I ordered the sensor, and I ordered the little middle piece that go, it's like a cover. They kind of cover the outside of the sensor. But I ordered all that, bro. I'm gonna get some new grill lights. My grill lights didn't go out. I just, it's like a certain part of the lights had stopped working. So I just wound up taking them out. But I'm gonna put some new grill lights in, probably, I don't know. Not. I'm gonna wait a little bit, bro. Cause I really want to get these other mods out the way. But that's in the cheap mod, so I'm not really worrying about that right now, bro. But I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get that real soon too, bro. But I'm really just trying to let y'all boys know about the major mods I got coming, bro. And how once that rear bumper come in, bro, and the exhaust, like, y'all just gonna have to see, bro. Y'all gonna have to see, bro. But if you new, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, bro. It's your boy Young J, man. I'm gonna catch up with y'all boys in the next video game. Peace. I ain't gonna lie. Damn. But I ain't gonna lie, man. Y'all see what we got going, man. It's we about to just be vlogging for Mardi Gras and whatnot. I ain't gonna lie, they got a little breeze or whatnot, bro. But you see how we going? We live right now, bro. 360 view, bro. Love how it is.
Bro, them trigger happy, every Glock came with extendo. Say when we spin this bitch, don't swing, but dough hang out the window. This bitch gon' do whatever I fucking say, like bitch Caprendo.